Hello friends, so let's see in this video about the mirror command. So basically I have here drawn some object on the screen, you can see, right? So I just wanted this two rectangle, this one and this one circle. These three object I just wanted to mirror of these three object, right? So for that I have just drawn here a reference line. So for that I will just copy a command mirror. MI, see on the top here mirror option come, just press enter. Now it is asking you to select object. See here, it is asking you to select the object. So you just select the object. See, I just selected the object. Now just press enter. And now it is asking you specify first point of mirror line. See, near the crosshair, it is asking you to specify first point of mirror line. So I am just specifying my first point here. Now it is asking you to specify second point of mirror line. So let me specify second point here. See, now you can see the objects are copied. Now it is asking you to erase source object. What is source object? From where we have just taken mirror of this new object, right? So if you click yes, then this object will gonna erase. If you click no, then this object will remain as it is. So let me show you how to let me click on yes, and then this source object will disappear. See, that's how you can use mirror command, right?